Good morning, kindergarten friends. Happy Friday. We've had a great week of learning. So let's take a look at our Friday's morning message and see what we get to learn today. All right? Good. Oops, I'm going to get my pointer. Good morning, kindergarten rock stars. Today is Friday, November 20th, 2020. Look at, there's a lot of 20s. November 20, 2020. Wow, 3 20s. We are so happy you are watching today. Now I'm going to give you 2 different words. You have to tell me if they rhyme or not. And remember, words that rhyme, they sound the same at the beginning and the end. You ready? Door, store. Door, store. Do those 2 words rhyme? Do they sound the same in the middle and the end? They sure do. They both have or. Door, store. So they'd rhyme. All right, let's go to the next set. Turkey, chicken. Let's say it again. Turkey, chicken. What do you think? No, they don't rhyme. They don't sound the same in the middle and the end, for sure. All right, let's take a look at our next set. Bun, bat. Bun, bat. Do they sound the same in the middle and the end? No, they don't. They sound the same at the beginning, but not the middle and the end. So those do not rhyme. All right, let's take a look at some shapes. Can you tell me what this is? A square. It's a purple square. How about this shape? It's a rectangle. It's a triangle. A purple triangle, like baby triangle. All right, last one. Rectangle. That is a rectangle. Good job, boys and girls. It's an orange rectangle. Let's read our sight words. You ready? Can, am, go, blue, brown, orange, can, at. Fabulous job. Love, Mrs. Cool and Miss Pam. All right, let's take a look. We're still working on that wonderful letter T. We're still celebrating it. T, tiger. And today we are counting to 40. Are you ready to count with me, boys and girls? Together like a team so we can continue to practice and count higher and higher in our numbers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Great job. All right, let's count down from 20. I forgot to put a rocket ship. I was going to put one on there. I'll do it right when I get done with our video this time so I don't forget for Monday. All right, you guys ready to start at 20? Here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off to the moon. Fabulous. All right. Great job. Let's take a look at our sight words. All right, boys and girls, we'll say each one twice. You ready? Brown, brown. Orange, orange. Gray, gray. Red, red. Blue, blue. The. Am, at. Can. Go. Very good, boys and girls. All right, let's take a look at our activities on Seesaw. We have some fun ones for you. So the first one is called Scarecrow Count. And so each scarecrow has a little number on its belly, on its shirt there. And then you have to put that many crows beside him. A crow is that little black bird right there. Okay, double check your counting before you submit it. Make sure it's correct, okay? And then your next activity is beginning sounds. So you're going to look at these pictures and then you're going to put the beginning sounds of each one of them, all right? And then when you're finished, record the beginning sounds of each picture in each row, okay? So you're gonna say cup, k, boat, b, okay, map, do you understand? All right, wonderful. We've done the letter T work before, so we're doing the letter T work in the lowercase. So make sure you do all 5 pages of this and then submit it, okay? So I want to see all your work and I want to make sure you're doing it correctly. And I've been sending it back now if it's not quite correct because I want you to really take a look at your activities before you submit them. We want to make sure they're your absolutely best work. All right, so, and we'll have 5 videos. I already actually put the story time on with Miss Stacy this morning. It's called Turkey Trouble. It's such a funny story. You're gonna love it. And then our math lesson 3.5, it's on. We're talking about tens, okay? And then our handwriting. We're practicing handwriting X and, oh no, that's not X and Y. No, we're not doing X and Y. Ooh, I'm sorry, you guys. I messed that up. X and Y is for Monday. We are doing which one are we doing? Well, let me see, guys. We're doing the V and W. The V and W. All right. Let's fix that. V and W. We'll do the X and Y on Monday. All right. And then, let's go over here. I hope that didn't confuse you, but it's right on the video. It's the V and W. All right. And then we do our small group Zooms today, boys and girls, okay? So I will send out the link for you, and we do our whole class Zoom at 2 o'clock, and we have a fun game for you. I'm going to show you quick what you need to bring at both Zooms, okay? You're going to need to bring this chart, okay? We're not going to work so much on this side, but I want you to be able to write on this side, okay? Then you need to bring your expo marker because you're going to write and then you're going to show it to me, all right? Then you're going to need an eraser, so either an eraser, if you have one, to erase your expo. What I use and works just great is a Kleenex. So you could bring a Kleenex, okay? So you want this sheet, expo marker, and a Kleenex. And then I would like you to bring to the small groups is this book called The Hungry Turkey. All right? Can you remember to bring all those things? All right, I'll remind you. I'll take a picture of them all and I'll put it on Seesaw so that you remember also. Okay, boys and girls, just real quick on your iPad, practice on the Starfall. You can practice the letter T on there so that you can have some review with that too. And then have a wonderful day. I'm excited to see you guys all for the Zooms and for our full class Zoom party. All right. We'll see you later. Have a fabulous day, boys and girls.